Let us discuss the transitive relation. It is very important relation because it is very confused for all the students. So listen carefully. Transitive relation. Transitive relation on A. The relation R on A is said to be transitive if x comma y belongs to R and also y comma z belongs to R, implies x comma z belongs to R. Notes: if there is no comparison, like there is no comparison like xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R, then also R is transitive. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then R1 is equal to 5. It is transitive relation. According to the given notes, if xy yz comparison is absent, then also it is transitive. जदि xy yz फॉर्म रे थिबो तबे xz रहबा दरकार. So according to this rule, this note R1 equal to 5 is transitive relation. Number 2, R2 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 3. It is transitive because here 1, 2 ending with 2 and again start with 2, 2, 3 belongs to R2. So there must be 1, 3. So 1, 3 present in R2. That implies also 1, 3 present in R2. Therefore it is transitive. Third example. R3 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is also transitive relation. Because there is no comparison like xy yz, so it is transitive relation. Fourth, R4 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. This is transitive because suppose compare these two compare 1, 1 ending with 1, here start with 1. So 1, 1, 1, 2. There is 1, 2 here. This can be written as that is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, and also we can write 1 comma 2 inside. The repetition of elements is immaterial. 1 2 1 2 and 2 2 3 3. So 1 x y y z, again x z present here, like this. R5 is equal to 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 2 belongs to R4. That implies 1 2 present here, 1 2 present here, 1 2 also present in R4. So it is transitive. Number 5, R5 is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. It is not transitive. It is not transitive. How it is not transitive? Now discuss. Here 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 3 present. Compare this to order page. 2 1 1 3. Since or because 2 comma 1 1 comma 3 both are present in R5, but 2 comma 3 not belongs to R5, so R5 is not transitive. X is equal to A cross A. It is transitive. Let us discuss about the equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Equivalence relation on A. The relation R on A is said to be equivalence relation. Equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. For equivalence relation, we have to verify reflexive relation, symmetric relation as well as transitive relation. That is to verify equivalence relation text for reflexive. For reflexive, if the given relation is x related to y, for reflexive, let x related to x for all x, and verify that for all x belongs to A, all x belongs to A is valid or not. First. Second, for symmetric, let x related to y and verify y related to x. If it satisfies, then R is symmetric. For transitive, let x related to y, y related to z, and verify x related to z. If it satisfies, then R is transitive.